on lesson 1-5, exploring angled pair. If you look at this lesson, it's talking about angles that we're doing, and we're talking about pair. A pair means two. Okay, so we're going to be talking about the relationship of the angled pair, or two angles. The relationship of two angles. Okay, we're going to be doing a lot of those angled pairs in the future. This is just a foundational content that you should really keep tabs on. Okay, so the first word is adjacent. What does adjacent means? Adjacent angles are angles that are next to each other. So let's try to use the examples on what's given. Okay, so here you're given example number 1 is saying that angle 1 is adjacent to angle number 2. Why are they adjacent to each other? Because it's kind of like you're shoulder to shoulder, right? They are sharing the same ray of N to Q. Angle 1 on the right and angle 2 on the left are sharing the rays of NQ. So you know that they're actually close to each other, right? And that's pretty much it. The statement you're going to be writing is angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2. That's basically all you need to do. It's just basically, like I said, a lot of students think that geometry is mathematical. Its majority of it is conceptual. Next one, example number 2. We're going to do some examples here. You see like 5 different angles. So I'm going to ask some questions on the poll. And all you have to do is say yes or no. Okay. Is angle 4 adjacent to angle 5? Is the question. Yes or no? Past. A lot of students said yes, they are adjacent. A couple of people said no, but let's just double check, right? So we're trying to determine if angle 4 and angle 5 are adjacent to each other, right? The best thing you can do is I like to draw it or cover it because I'm kind of visual, right? So here you know that angle 4 and 5, they're sharing the same ray here. So you know that they are adjacent to each other. So you can make a statement that says that angle 4 is adjacent to angle 5. Okay. Next one up is angle 7 adjacent to angle 4. Everyone answered no, it is not. But let's just double check, right? So if you notice at angle 7, if you focus on angle 7, whose angle 7 is it adjacent to or sharing its rays with, right? Angle 7 is sharing its rays with angle 3. And also angle 7's angle is sharing its rays with angle 6. So automatically you know that it can be adjacent to angle 4. Okay, same scenario as angle 4. If you cover everything here, angle 4 once again on the top side, it's sharing its ray with angle 3. So it's adjacent to angle 3, but it's not adjacent to angle 7. If it's looking at angle 5, angle 4 and 5 are also adjacent, but it's not adjacent to angle 7 because why? They are not sharing the same rays as angle 4. Okay, and that is it for the adjacent. Oh wait, we have one more. Angle 7 adjacent to angle 6. A lot of people answered yes. Let's double check our answers. Let's cover everything, other angles, except for angles 7 and 6. When you look at angle 7 and 6, they are sharing the same ray right here. From here to here, they're sharing the same ray. So then you know that angle 7 and 6 are adjacent to each other. The statement here, last statement is angle 7 is adjacent to angle 6. Okay, so that's the first angle pair we're going to be talking about. Is just angle that's right next to each other. You have to get kind of used to it because we're going to be working with that kind of angles more in the future.